The Regional Weather Service in Sinnoh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Sinnoh Route 212 until 6 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., Regional Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Locations in the warning include areas along the west branch of the Great Marsh. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, as well as farmland along the banks of creeks and streams. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Vehicles caught in rising water should be abandoned quickly. Move to higher ground.